Namaste Yogis. Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Nadi Shodhan, or it is also called Anulom, vilom. Basically, this pranayama is used to cleanse our veins, to clean and clear the nervous system. What it does first, it cleanses up the nerves, the prana, the pranic flow is regular. So what happens? You get proper oxygen. Usually we are not using proper breathing, we are not using the flow, and basically we are not using the lungs. So in yogic practice, in pranayama, what are we doing? We are extending the capacity of our lungs. I will come back to our topic, Nadi Shodhana. So Nadi Shodhana is, if you know, we have 72,000 nerves in the system, and with asanas we work on physical body. But what happens? The internal side, especially these nerves, they are everywhere. How to purify? So Nadi Shodhana is a very nice medium to cleanse the nerves. In 72,000, they are so tiny, they are so small that they are everywhere. They are connecting our organs, they are connecting our system. But in Nadi Shodhana, the main three, the left one, Ida, right one, Pingla, they are connecting here on the center part, on the third eye, which is called Sushumna. So what happens with Nadi Shodhana? We regulate these two through inhalation, exhalation, inhalation and exhalation. And what happens? The meeting point, it's active. So definitely it's increasing our vital capacity, it's working on our breathing, the lungs are getting healthy, and we know when the lungs are healthy, our heart is at rest, the nervous system will be better, the respiratory system will be so effective. So first we need to be very much careful how to breathe, how to practice. Now we come on the second point, that how to practice. How to practice Nadi Shodhana. For Nadi Shodhana, please cross your legs, sit in a comfortable position. Pranic flow. In Nadi Shodhana, you start to inhale with your left nostril. So simply we close the right nostril. Inhale through left, deep, long breathing. And maybe if you breathe nearly 10 seconds, hold for 5 to 8 seconds. And then you exhale out longer. As much you can. 10 seconds are very good. 12, 15, 20 is very good. So this same, keep the flow on. Now you inhale through your right nasal. Same holding. Exhale out through left. Inhale with left. Holding. And exhale out. This is the flow. Please stay tuned. It's very nice, very interesting video, that how to practice Nadi Shodhana. And the working is that it's not only physical benefits, you are so amazed. Our internal side is happy, we are full of joy. It's a very nice practice. So not only Nadi Shodhana, what else? When you practice Nadi Shodhana, how long? Now the third thing is how long. For beginners, you may start simply with the strokes. But what happens when you practice with the strokes? You are much more aware. You know how much counting you did. I would highly recommend maybe 11, 21 to 51 rounds for beginners to check their capability. The B category, which is for intermediate practitioners. So in this category, now you know how much you are practicing, how much you have worked on your lungs. And after that, for intermediate practitioners, they may go long, they may go beyond. So they may reach 51 to 101. So what will happen now? Your mind, this is basically a very interesting pranayama because you are practicing physically, but it's preparing your mental body. It's very interesting. You try, you practice this, you feel it. So the thing is, you keep practice it, you bring it into your regular lifestyle, your daily practice. So for intermediate, you go beyond. What happens now? You don't count numbers. You are going above. So you are just feeling your prana. Now the third is advanced. Advanced yogis, they sit down, they are stable, they don't waste that much time. They only work to sense if ida, they left